Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
We're heading to the greenhouse. Today we have some things we can do together.
Yeah. And it's the first day that's nice enough that you'd want to even leave the house. So. Hi, Jack. You coming with us? Nice eating breath.
We're going to go in the greenhouse. Irene says it's 60 degrees.
60 something.
Feels a lot warmer than 60 degrees. And my
77.9 over here.
And my glasses have fogged up.
Totally. Okay, time to get started. I have one bucket filled up here, and I've got a couple of others I'm going to get filled up because I'm going to be transplanting those seedlings. I think I will put this guy up here. Hey Jack, how you doing? Mom's just coming through with a bucket. They have both a zip tie thingy and a string on here. Last time they came without the zip ties. I think they figured out they were popping open. Oops.
I have the opening cylinder for the north window, so I'm going to go ahead and get that up, and then you can go ahead and put the pin in.
Oh boy, my favorite, least favorite thing.
Yeah, it's kind of difficult. I'll let you know when I'm ready.
Okay.
We tape that cotter pin onto the end of the cylinder because it's a special size and shape. And the cylinder goes in pretty easy. All I need to do is thread it in through the swivel fitting and then feed it into the receptacle end.
I was gonna say, you're gonna start dripping.
I've been getting dripped on.
You know what we should do is we should get you to step out the door and I'll hit the side of the greenhouse.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, let's get the drips partially taken care of.
I don't mind getting wet.
Well, it can be kind of annoying.
Jack is running.
He says it's raining.
It's raining indeed.
Sorry, Jack. It's gonna rain here too, but at least the worst of it down here is done now. Because I could just see the stuff, you know. He says, I got rained on. Crummy mama. Less to drip. See, there's less to drip, huh, Jack?
We'll have to wait for the cylinder to warm up enough so the wax expands.
Right.
It's been in my desk in the office. It's only about 62 degrees in there. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put the ladder back out of the way. We can put the gate back up so Jack can't get out. How's your buckets going?
Fine. I got several filled up, ready to go.
You need any help or you want me to just stay out of your way? You want to harvest the rest of the cabbages today?
Probably.
Okay. Now you may remember that I planted some spinach and radishes in this bucket, I think 4 or 5 weeks ago, maybe 6 weeks ago. I'll look and see and make sure I put that in the show notes. The spinach is doing great. We'll probably be able to harvest some of that this week. Now Irene and I are talking about what we're going to do with this bucket once this piece of the experiment is done. I think probably what we'll do is, as soon as these radishes are really edible, I'll pull all of those out and we'll reseed spinach on this other side. What do you think about spinach?
I think spinach is great, but I don't think those radishes are going to be done at the same time, so I think you'll be eating one here and one there and one the other place. There are a couple there that you could eat right now.
Well, I'm going to take a look. There's one right here.
And it's kind of an art to know when to pull them and when not to.
Now this radish isn't quite ready. It was close to another one. I figured I'd go ahead and pull it and try it. Great taste. These radishes will be coming out over the next short while, and then we'll go ahead and replant with more spinach.
I'd give it another week to 2 weeks, and most of them will be ready. The spinach you could actually eat as baby spinach right now.
Maybe we'll have a spinach salad tonight.
But I've got a ton of spinach in the other bucket. So
we have a lot of spinach a lot of places.
that's a good thing, because we really like spinach and we'd like to have it twice a week. Especially since right now we don't have any lettuce. So spinach will do.
Now I have some difficulty seeing depth with my bifocals. I have line bifocals, which means that a lot of things don't focus at the right depth for me. Irene tells me that I didn't get all of the radish seeds planted at the same depth, so they're going to come off at different times. And there's a possibility that some of them won't come off at all. But as you can see, things can still grow.
Yeah, the spinach is less picky, so, you know, it just makes leaves.
Well, that's the update for our experiment, showing you how to plant spinach and some radishes. As you can tell, we don't necessarily see eye to eye on everything in the garden. That's fine. Irene does a great job of deciding when radishes and everything else is ready to pick. I have some different ways of doing it. There's not right, wrong. It's what works, and Irene works really well. Thanks for watching. We'll show you more later. Bye.